TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi folks, Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour and author of The Opening Call, giving you the 1 p.m. update here at TFNN. The Dow is up 341 at 26,347. Wait a minute, 27,398 was the all-time high. We're just 1,000 points off the all-time high. What's the big deal? The big deal is we've had some horrible, terrible action over the last 5 days, just whopping 1,000 point down, 1,000 point up, 500 point down, and all of a sudden a beautiful green candle. This was very important to do today. It says that the low that was made in the Dow in the 25,400 to 25,200 area should be a good cushion over the coming 2 weeks. Let's see if that turns out to be okay. But the Dow needs to climb over 26,600 to really say, nope, I'm done with it. I'm done with the downside. S&P also is up very big today. It's up 48 at 29.32. And this is going to be very important. It's actually a little bit better action than the Dow because it's come straight down and straight up. It didn't even retest the low of 4 days ago of 28.22. This is going to be very important. Why? Because in both cases, in actually all three cases with the QQs coming up, that weekly chart is still saying, I need a lot of work to be able to make a new all-time high. So we'll see how if the S&P can get into the 29.55s by next week. The QQQ, the NDX 100, trading up very strongly, up 3.28 right now at 187. It also pulled back very sharply from 195 to 179, 20 points. That's a big move at 10%. And now what it's doing is it's up. It needs to get into the 189 area and hold there by Monday. Let's see if that can happen. That'll help the weekly chart. Hey, gold. Gold right now is down. It is down 14 points at 15.05, having a bit of a rest. I think there might be one more little, there's a chance it could have one more pop and then start a digestive phase. The same as the TLT, which is in a leg D in the Chapman wave, probably making a PT. Says that bonds yields could have a little bit of a bounce now rather than pulling back. And then later on, they could start going down again. But right now, shorter term, looks like they want to come down. And the dollar is actually holding really well. It's down 13 ticks at 97.49, but I think the dollar is going to have a bit of a breather, and that gives gold a chance to stabilize. Thank you for being here. Stay tuned for Steve Rhodes coming up. Then you've got Dave White. Then you've got Tom O'Brien. Have a wonderful day, and stay tuned to TFNN.